I will talk about how can you get premium or upgrade on your Yubo app. We're going to figure out the solution on know how you can do that on your app. So all you have to do, you just go above this sign, click on it here. So then you come to your profile. Then all you have to do, just go down here. You keep going down here. So then you click here on upgrade here. It's going to show for you here when you go down. So then it's going to take you to this list. Just switch it to open video here. So it's going to show for you like this, and you can you select if you want to add 1 week or 1 month or 3 months. So when you just click on it 1 week, for example, click here on unlock. When you just click on it, then it's going to show for you a list to add your card information or debit card, and it's going to add video. That's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe.